Guides.centralpenn.edu has a lot of the information that you may find helpful. On the Home tab, there are quick links to a number of different areas, not just library guides, including one to the college catalog, one to math resources, Office 365, and there's also a guide for textbook information. On the textbook information guide, you will find information on how to find what materials are being required for your class, as well as how to order them through the online bookstore, and then how to access them if you're ordering online materials. On the Research Help and Tutorials tab, there are guides for each of the programs offered at Central Penn. Under the Research Tutorials area, you'll find a lot of helpful information on how to conduct research, including information on APA. APA is a common writing style, and it is required in many of the classes used here at Central Penn. The All Guides tab will list all of the guides that we have. Many of these guides can be found embedded within Blackboard.